In this video, I will show you how to add a watermark image to your YouTube videos. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click on the Customization tab. Once the customization page opens, look toward the right side of the screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the customization page. Here you will see the Video Watermark section. Once you add a watermark image, it will appear in the bottom right corner of your videos. The image should be at least 150 by 150 pixels in size. It can be in any of the supported image formats shown here. Also, make sure the file size is 1 megabytes or less. Next, we need to click this Upload button and select the watermark image from our computer. Next, you need to choose when the watermark should appear in your videos. You can display it only at the start of the video, or you can make it appear after a specific amount of time. You can also choose to show it throughout the entire video. For most channels, the entire video option is usually the best choice. Once you have selected your settings, click Publish to save the changes. Now let's go to the channel page and check if the watermark has been added successfully. Open any of your videos, and there it is. The watermark image is now visible in the bottom right corner of the video. And that's it. This is how you can add a watermark image to all of your YouTube videos. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.